Welcome back. A little over 2 months ago, I posted a video on how to use Honeyminer. At the time, I received some positive feedback, and because I've been using LOL Miner mostly over the last month or two, I hadn't really looked at it much. And I didn't hear too much about it until about a week or two ago, where I started getting more and more people telling me that they're having problems downloading it, connecting with it, and all sorts of issues. So I decided to look into it a little bit further. I went out to the website, I checked everything out. I was clicking on some links, and all the links are dead. But they didn't say anything on the website about it not functional or any network related issues. So I logged in into my account, and I saw that there were still transactions going through here. Usually when things like this happen, there's typically an email or some kind of notification. So I went to my Gmail, I searched Honeyminer, and I looked in here because this is the account I was registered with. And as I typed in Honeyminer and I searched it, there was absolutely nothing, not even my activation email. So maybe I deleted that, but there was nothing in there from Honeyminer, no announcement. So the next thing I did is I went into Reddit and I went into the subreddit GPU mining. And yes, there was somebody in there that actually had posted this. I never saw it before. But about a month ago, he got an email saying effective May 30th, 2021, Honeyminer is suspending mining on the platform indefinitely. Eligible users will be able to withdraw their balance from the platform until October 16th, 2021. We're proud to help bring cryptocurrency mining securely to the masses and thankful to our users for coming with us on this amazing journey. To withdraw, simply log in to your account, navigate to the withdraw page. So I made my video at the beginning of May, and literally less than 30 days later, the platform got shut down. Kind of bad luck, I guess, but I couldn't see that coming. I don't know if this is a coincidence, but I looked at the price of Bitcoin, and basically at the end of May is where it almost halved in price. So I'm not trying to draw conclusions, but I'm pretty sure that had a huge impact on the Honeyminer group. So users are having issues with withdrawing money. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to be doing it soon. A lot of people apparently received this email. I wasn't one of them. And same with the people on my forum. They haven't received this email either. So I'm assuming it's real. It looks real to me. I don't know. It's hard to validate a picture. But there's about 27 comments here. A lot of other people saying that they did receive this. So it looks legit. And the fact that it's not working at all kind of confirms it as well. So if you have any Satoshis, cash it out. Cash it out before October if you can. I would do it immediately. Also, since the network's not running, you might need to switch to a different miner if you're trying to mine. I suggest using NiceHash. NiceHash has a very similar interface to what Honeyminer is, so the adjustments from switching from platform to platform will probably be easier. NiceHash also allows you to remotely view everything from their app and on their website. Unminable Miner is another great tool that you can use. This one does not allow remote management, but it is very simple to use and get it up and running. So I'll link both of those in the description below. Let me know if you're still using Honeyminer and if it's working for you. It doesn't allow me to mine anymore, so I'm assuming it is shut down. But if it's working for you, let me know. If you have anything different than what I'm hearing, let me know. That'd be great. Put it down in the comments. Anyways, public service announcement. Stop using Honeyminer. If you can get paid out, do it immediately. Anyways, I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.